this is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I'm here to share an annual habit that will help you get and stay organized. Once a year, it's a really good and smart thing to do to sort of sort through and declutter your personal and hygienic products. Often we buy things during the year and we just add them in to our drawer or cabinet in the bathroom, and we don't pay much attention to the things that we're not using. It's a lot more fun to buy a new product than to go through and pitch the old ones, right? But once a year, on a rainy afternoon, it's a good idea to just sort of do a cull through. Check for expiration dates, which are always handy. They're telling you to get rid of them, right? And then also just pitch and remove anything that maybe you tried but you didn't really like. Maybe the color was bad, or it gave you a rash, or whatever the case may be. And just get rid of those things. You'll find by freeing up some space, by decluttering, that the organizing of what you really use will get easier. I always suggest, if you're working in a place like a big under the sink cabinet, that you might want to add some structure, some bins or some drawers. And if you have a big drawer, you might want to add some little drawer organizers to help you keep like items together. So maybe you have some time coming up in the next couple of months. You could spend one day, just take a trash bag up there, clear it out. This not only frees space, but it's good for your body and your skin to keep current products to use. I hope you'll try this annual organizing habit.